Are you tired of worrying about the safety of your vehicle? Well, today I'm here to unveil 5 things you didn't know about the Vantrue N4 Pro Dash Cam that will change the way you think about car safety. Hi, I'm Brian from the Inspect Aspect, and today we're diving into a product that could redefine your driving experience, the Vantrue N4 Pro 3-channel 4K Wi-Fi Dash Cam. Let's explore what makes this dash cam a game changer on the road. First up, let's talk about the true 4K 3-channel recording. This camera brings you the latest STARVIS 2 technology, supporting an impressive 4K resolution. It provides crystal clear footage day and night, ensuring you can read license plates without any hassle. This is especially crucial for daily drivers and rideshare drivers, as it protects you against false insurance claims. Next, we have Vantrue's exclusive PlatePix technology. This innovative feature allows the dash cam to identify license plate numbers with remarkable detail even in tough lighting situations, ensuring you won't miss a thing. However, while the technology is impressive, expect some limitations in extreme low light conditions. One of the standout features is the OTA firmware updates and built-in GPS. With super fast 5G 100Hz Wi-Fi, you can easily access your recordings and share them directly from the app. The GPS functionality adds extra value by embedding your speed and location into the videos. Powerful evidence if you ever need it. Let's not forget the flexible recording modes. You can set it to record in various configurations, including front and rear or front and inside. The rear camera can even rotate 360 degrees, perfect for monitoring everything around your vehicle. But do keep in mind that you must fine-tune it to capture the action accurately. Finally, the N4 Pro offers 4 different parking modes for around-the-clock protection. Its buffered motion detection is a game-changer, saving the critical moments before and after a detected event. Just remember, for parking mode functionality, you'll have to purchase the hardwire kits separately. In conclusion, the Vantrue N4 Pro is indeed a robust dash cam packed with feature-rich offerings that enhance your driving safety. I genuinely recommend considering this dash cam if you value peace of mind while on the road. However, if you're not ready to invest in the additional hardware, it may not be the best fit for you right now. Remember, safety doesn't have to be expensive, it just has to be effective.